I'm going to go ahead and show you how to knit colorwork with both yarns in the same hand. And so I'm going to get a little bit of slack here on our yarn. And what you're going to do for this is actually hold both yarns in the same hand the way you would normally do if you were holding just one yarn. So if you were knitting stockinette with just the white and you would normally hold it like this, what you're going to do for colorwork is actually put both yarns in the hand that you normally knit with in the same way that you normally do. You'll just have two strands here instead of one. And then the way that you will work this, we are working a pattern here that has a 1x3 colorwork knit stitch. So when you go to knit this stitch, which is going to be purple, we will just pick our purple yarn off of our two strands of yarn that we have here. And then when we're ready to knit our white ones, you're going to pick the white yarn off of our two strands that we have. And when we get to purple, we'll do that. When we get to white, we'll do 3 more stitches in white. Sometimes if you knit several stitches with a color like white and not as many with purple, you'll get uneven tension between the two. That's not a problem. Just drop those yarns and retension them again, and you'll get back on track. And essentially you are just picking off this finger whichever one of those colors that you want to be working with per your pattern. And this is a really easy way to get started colorwork knitting because it's not a lot different than knitting stockinette. Here you're just holding 2 yarns together instead of 1. And so that's a really nice way to try to learn stranded colorwork.